Hi guys, welcome to today's class. So in this class, we'll be drafting a perfect basic sleeve pattern. These are the measurements we need: our sleeve cap height, elbow measurement, and our full length. So first thing first, come down by half an inch and mark out the starting line. So this means that all our measurements will start from there, all our vertical measurements, all right? So our sleeve cap height for the sleeve, there's a formula for it. The formula is bust divided by 12 plus 0.5 inches. So do your own calculations and know the bust sleeve cap height you'll be using for your own sleeve. After getting our cap height, we'll be marking out our elbow measurement. So the elbow measurement for the sleeve is 11 inches. Our full length is 22, so I'll be adding 1 inches for hemming allowance, and I will just draw out a straight line on that. So I'll just go ahead now and draw lines on the marked points. So we are done with all our vertical measurements. So we'll go ahead now to impute our armhole circumference, elbow circumference, and our wrist circumference. On our markings here, remember this is our starting line, cap height, elbow, and full length. Like I said before, I have the measurements that I'll be using on this paper. So on our starting line, mark out 4 inches on our starting line. Measure out 4 inches and mark. After marking your 4 inches, you divide what you have between your sleeve cap height and your starting line. You divide it into 2 and mark. The next thing is our armhole circumference. Our armhole circumference for this tutorial is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7.5. Then you add 1.5 inches allowance and mark. So I'll be adding all my allowances on this pattern paper. So this is our starting line. Here, our sleeve cap height, our elbow, full length, and 1 inches for hemming allowance. So we've already marked out our armhole circumference, which is 7.5. We added 1.5 inches to make it 9. Down here is our elbow. Elbow length 11. Elbow circumference is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus 1.5 inches allowance. That's 7.5. You mark. Here is our wrist measurement. Our wrist circumference is 8 on this paper. 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 1.5 inches allowance. That is 5.5. So you mark that out. It's time to connect all our points from our starting line, our cap sides, our elbow, and our full length together to form our sleeve. So what we'll be doing now is, from the 4 inches mark we came in, we'll be curving out our armhole. Using our pattern master, we'll cover the 4 inches, meeting the division we made between the sleeve cap height and the starting point. Just watch how I am placing my pattern master and do the same on your own paper. or on your fabric. So mark it this way and flip the pattern master over and join there and join it like this. If you don't have a pattern master, you can use your free hand to get that curve there. So we'll be joining here to here and here to our full length with a straight line this time around, this way. So we are done with the drafting. If you are cutting this, if you are cutting a short sleeve, use the same process. Okay, the only difference will be the length of your sleeve. Just measure out the length of your sleeve. That's where you want your short sleeve to get to. You could use 9, 10, or 11 depending on where you want it to get to, and mark out. So after getting your length, you now mark out your circumference, that's your sleeve length circumference, and mark out. That's all. So it's the same thing with 3/4 sleeve. The difference is just the length. Okay, so I'll go ahead now to make my lines more visible using my marker. So we are done cutting. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. See you in my next video.